Have you ever hit the button to set your cruise control and nothing happens? Or maybe you are just driving along, and you notice the little green cruise control light on your dash isn't lighting up when it should. If you scan your car and pull up the code P0649, you are dealing with a speed control lamp control circuit malfunction. Now, compared to a blown engine or a slipping transmission, this might sound minor. And honestly, it usually is not a car killer, but it is annoying, and it points to an electrical gremlin in your dashboard or computer systems. This code essentially means the powertrain control module, the brain of your car, has tried to test the circuit for that little cruise control indicator light and found a problem. It could be an electrical short, an open wire, or something wrong with the bulb itself. The system constantly monitors this circuit for continuity when the ignition is on. If it sees a break in the chain, it sets this code. The most immediate symptom is pretty obvious. The speed control system likely will not work. Modern cars are designed with safety in mind, so if the computer cannot verify that the warning lamp is working, it often disables the entire cruise control system as a precaution. It wants to make sure you know when the system is active. So, how do we fix this without spending a fortune at the dealership? First, check your fuses. I know it sounds too simple, but you would be surprised how often a blown 10-cent fuse causes a scary-looking trouble code. Grab your manual, find the fuse for the instrument cluster or cruise control, and swap it if it looks bad. If the fuses are good, your next step depends on how old your car is. On older vehicles, this could literally be a burnt-out light bulb in the dashboard. If you are comfortable taking out the instrument cluster, checking the bulb is a cheap fix. However, on newer cars, that light is usually a tiny LED soldered onto a circuit board. If you can't check the bulb easily, you need to look at the wiring. You will need a digital multimeter for this. You are looking for voltage at the warning lamp circuit. If there is no power getting to the light, you have to trace that wire back. Look for places where the wiring harness passes through the firewall or near the steering column. These are common spots for wires to get pinched or rubbed raw. Also, check your ground connections. A loose ground wire can cause all sorts of weird electrical ghosts. If the wiring is perfect, the bulb is good, and the fuses are fine, you might be looking at a glitch in the PCM itself or a programming error. Sometimes a simple software update from the dealer can clear this up, but 9 times out of 10, it is a simple wiring fix or a fuse. Don't let a little electrical gremlin keep you from enjoying cruise control on your next road trip.